Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix ChatGPT access denied 2023. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to access first if you're able to access ChatGPT. So you have to access chat.openai.com here. So if you're still receiving the access denied notification on ChatGPT, then we'll have to actually update or change the settings or clear our data on our browser here. So just click on the three dotted icon that you see at the top right of your screen. Then from here, you want to go to settings. Under settings, you want to go to the privacy and security. And under privacy and security, you want to go to cookies and other site data. Then from here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see all site data and permissions. And from here, you have to look for openai.com. And from here, just need to click on the trash can icon next to it. And from here, just click on clear. So what we just did is we actually cleared our data for ChatGPT, and when we actually next time access ChatGPT, you will no longer have this problem, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.